Hello, foodies, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something truly special for you. We're diving into the world of Agedashi Tofu, a Japanese delicacy loved by many. But, did you know there are some fascinating unknown facts about this dish? Stick around as we uncover them all. Before we get into the unknown facts, let's take a moment to admire this crispy and delicious Agedashi Tofu. It's crispy on the outside, soft on the inside, and served in a flavorful dashi broth. A true masterpiece of Japanese cuisine. Unknown fact number 1. Agedashi tofu has a history that goes back centuries. It's believed to have originated during Japan's Edo period. Initially, it was a street food snack known as kasujiru tofu, and was enjoyed by the common people. Unknown fact number 2. The name, Agedashi tofu, can be broken down to understand its essence. Agedashi means deep-fried, and tofu is, of course, the star ingredient. So, it literally translates to deep-fried tofu. Unknown fact number 3. Not all tofu is created equal when it comes to making Agedashi tofu. Japanese silk tofu, known as kanugoshi tofu, is the most commonly used type. Its delicate texture and ability to soak up the flavorful broth make it the top choice. Unknown fact number 4. The magic of Agedashi tofu lies in its dashi broth. Dashi is a Japanese stock made from ingredients like kombu, kelp, and bonito flakes. It infuses the tofu with that umami-rich flavor that we all love. Unknown fact number 5. Agedashi tofu is not limited to the classic recipe. Chefs and home cooks have gotten creative, adding their own twists. Some variations include toppings like grated daikon radish, green onions, or even seafood. Unknown fact number 6. This dish isn't just tasty. It's healthy too. Tofu is a fantastic source of plant-based protein and is loaded with essential nutrients. Plus, it's low in calories, making it a guilt-free treat. Unknown fact number 7. Agedashi tofu isn't just food. It has cultural significance too. In Japan, it's often served at celebrations like weddings and New Year's to symbolize happiness and good fortune. Unknown fact number 8. Agedashi tofu is a popular appetizer in Japanese cuisine. Its light and flavorful profile make it an excellent starter, whetting your appetite for the main course. Unknown fact number 9. Achieving that perfect crispy exterior for Agedashi tofu is an art. Chefs use potato starch or cornstarch coatings to ensure a delicate crunch that contrasts beautifully with the silky tofu inside. Unknown fact number 10. Like many dishes in Japan, Agedashi tofu has regional variations. For example, in Osaka, they have Cuisine, where they deep-fry tofu and serve it on a stick like a snack. Unknown fact number 11. Agedashi tofu is a fantastic choice for vegetarians and vegans. As tofu is a plant-based ingredient and dashi can be made without fish flakes, it's a delightful cruelty-free option. Unknown fact number 12. In Japan, Agedashi tofu is often paired with shake. The combination of the mild tofu and the savory broth complements the clean and dry taste of sake perfectly. Unknown fact number 13. Believe it or not, there are Agedashi tofu eating competitions in Japan. Participants race against the clock to devour as many pieces as they can. It's a fun and quirky tradition. Now let's see the cooking process. Prepare the tofu. Carefully remove the tofu from its packaging and drain off any excess liquid. Slice the tofu into 8 equal pieces or your desired shape, usually cubes or rectangles. Place the tofu pieces on a paper towel-lined plate to remove additional moisture. This step helps the tofu to be less watery when fried. Coat the tofu. Put the potato starch or cornstarch on a plate. Gently coat each tofu piece with the starch, ensuring all sides are covered. Heat the oil. In a deep pan or pot, add enough vegetable oil to submerge the tofu pieces, about 2-3 inches deep. Fry the tofu. Carefully place the tofu pieces into the hot oil, one at a time, using a slotted spoon or tongs. Fry until they turn golden brown and crispy, which should take about 2-3 minutes per side. Remove the fried tofu pieces and place them on a plate lined with paper towels to drain any excess oil. Prepare the dashi broth. In a saucepan, combine the dashi stock, soy sauce, mirin, and sake. Taste the broth and adjust the seasoning if needed. Serve Agedashi tofu. Place the fried tofu pieces in a serving dish. Pour the hot dashi broth over the tofu, ensuring it covers the tofu pieces partially. Garnish with grated daikon radish, chopped green onions, and shredded nori seaweed if desired. Enjoy! Serve the Agedashi tofu hot as an appetizer or part of a meal. Agedashi tofu is best served immediately after making it to retain its crispiness. It's a delightful dish with a wonderful contrast of textures and flavors. Crispy on the outside and silky on the inside, immersed in umami-rich dashi broth. Before we wrap up, I'd love to hear from you. Have you tried Agedashi tofu before, or are you excited to make it at home? Share your thoughts, tips, or any unique variations you've come across in the comments below. That's a wrap for today's exploration of Agedashi tofu and its unknown facts. I hope you've enjoyed this culinary journey with us. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more amazing food discoveries. Thanks for joining us on our channel, and until next time, keep savoring those delightful flavors.